Come to our next question. Question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Okay, so here vertical pole of length 6 meter is given to us. Okay, so this is our vertical pole. Okay, 6 meter long vertical pole. Okay, and its shadow is on the ground. Okay, suppose this is our ground. Okay, so see the shadow of 4 meter long. Okay, 4 meter long shadow. Okay, so the shadow of 4 meter long is cast when the sunlight when the sunlight is. So in sunlight, this 6 meter long pole cast a shadow of 4 meter. Okay, so see, this is sunlight, this is a ray, this is a ray. Okay, this is our ray. Okay, and this is our sun. Okay, so this is our sun, and in the presence of this sun, this 6 meter long pole cast a shadow of 4 meter. Okay, say at the same time. Okay, at the same time, since this is our ABC triangle. Okay, and it make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, suppose this is our vertical pole. Okay, and this is our ground. So vertical pole and ground make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, now there is again a tower. Okay, there is a tower, and that tower shadow is what, then 28 meter. Okay, so suppose this is the shadow of the tower. Okay, 28 meter long shadow of tower. Okay, and so obviously this is our tower. Okay, and this is our tower, and this is the sun ray. Okay, this is our sun ray. Suppose here is our sun. Okay, so this is our sun ray. Okay, in the presence of this sun, the it cast a shadow of 28 meter long of this tower. Okay, so again it make an angle of 90 degree, and this is our DEF triangle. Okay, so this triangle form is DEF. Okay, at the same time. Okay, at the same time, now this is ray of sun. Okay, ray of sun. Again this is our ray of sun. Okay, this is our tower, and what we have to find out actually. Okay, this side is given to us 28 meter, this side is 4 meter, this pole is of 6 meter long. Okay, so in this way all these values are given to us, and we have to find out the height of this tower. Okay, height of this tower. Okay, height of this tower means DE we have to find out. So if we have to find out this DE, then prove both these triangles. Okay, prove both these triangles are similar. Okay, once we get these two triangles similar, then we can easily find out this DE. How can we find? By using PPT. Okay, by using PPT, if two triangles are similar, then we can say that their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, so once we get these two triangles are similar triangle, then we can easily find out the D side. Okay, so first we have to take this triangle. Okay, and then we have to find out the sides. Okay, so to prove these two triangles are similar, we cannot take the sides here. Okay, so we cannot take the ratio of the sides, so we have to take the angle. Okay, so in proof, write down all the values which are given to us. Okay, so let AB be the pole. Let AB be the pole of height 6 meter, and its shadow that is BC is equal to 4 meter. Okay, so this is given to us. Again let H be the. Okay, see, this D is not known to us, so we can suppose it as H. Okay, so let H be the height of the tower. So let H be the height of the tower. Okay, height of the tower, and its shadow that shadow means EF is equal to 28 meter. Okay, so BC is 4 meter, AB is 6 meter, and this EF is 28 meter, and this DE means what, our H. Okay, now prove these both theorems as they are similar. Okay, so now take both the triangles in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. How can we prove these two triangle as a similar triangle? See, angle B is equal to angle E here, because each angle is of measure 90 degrees. So write down there here. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Okay, since each angle is of measure 90 degree. Okay, each angle is 90 degree. Angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Each is 90 degree. Okay, and next, if you have to prove this both theorem as a similar, both triangle as a similar triangle, so we get one pair. Okay, we need another pair. So see, at a time. Okay, at a time means when sun rays when this AB cast a shadow of 4 meter, at that same time sunlight is जब सूरज की किरणें हमारे इस ए बी पोल पे गिरी थी, एट द सेम टाइम सूरज की किरणें डी पोल पे भी गिरी थी. दैट्स वाई वी कैन से दैट एट द सेम टाइम दिस एंगल ए एंड एंगल डी इज फॉर्म. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट दिस एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी, क्योंकि सन की जो सन रेज है एट द सेम टाइम, ओके, सेम टाइम दोनों भी पोल और टॉवर दोनों पे भी गिरी थी. एंड इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट दिस बोथ एंगल्स आर इक्वल. सो राइट डाउन देयरफॉर angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. Since shadows are cast at the same time. Okay, at the same time at this sun rays, सूरज की जो किरणें थी वो क्या हुआ, दोनों भी पोल और टॉवर पे एट द सेम टाइम वो उन पे गिरी थी. एंड दैट्स वाई वी कैन से दैट बोथ दिस एंगल आर फॉर्म एट द सेम टाइम, एंड दैट्स वाई दे आर इक्वल. एंड इन दिस वे वी गेट two pair of equal angles, and therefore these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criterion. And therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, since by AA similarity criterion. And therefore we get these both triangles are similar. Okay, so once we get these two triangles are similar, then we can take their corresponding sides are we can say that their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, so we get these two triangles are similar, so we can say that their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can take the sides as like this, AB upon, okay, so the corresponding side of AB is D, corresponding side of BC is EF, and corresponding side of AC is DF. Okay, but we need only these four sides, so we can take the ratio of AB with DE. So write down like this, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Okay, since corresponding sides of two similar triangle are proportional. Okay, corresponding sides of two similar triangle are proportional, and therefore we can take the ratio of the side like this, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Now put all the values. We know very well AB is 6 meter. Okay, these all values are given to us. So write down 6 upon DE we have to find out, and we suppose it as H, which is equal to BC is known to us 4 and EF is 28. Okay, now take the cross multiplication, and therefore 6 into 24 is equal to 4 into H. Okay, after taking cross multiplication we get it as 6 into 24 is equal to 4 into H. Okay, and therefore now take the multiplication of this, not 24, 28, sorry, 28. Okay, not 24, it is 28. So 6 into 28 is what? Then take the multiplication. Okay, divide both the side by 4. Okay, in this side 4 get cancel and we get only H. Okay, so dividing both side by 4 we get 6 into 28 upon 4 is equal to, when we divide this side by 4, then 4 get cancel and we get only H. Therefore now take the simplify it. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and we get 14 into 3. Okay, 14 into 3 is equal to H, and therefore H is equal to what then? 42 meter. Okay, 42. H is equal to what? 42. And in this way we get the height of the tower as 42 meter, and therefore write down the answer. Therefore the height of the tower is height of the tower is 42 meter. Okay, and in this way we get the height of the tower. Okay, what we do actually here? So first we prove both these terramars, both these triangular similar triangle. Once we get similar triangle, then we can easily take the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, after taking ratios we can easily find out the height of the tower. Okay, so this is all about our question number 15. Now try to solve question number 16 yourself. Okay, or if you fail to fail to solve it, then we will discuss it in our online class. Okay, so thank you.